Is the new Toro RXC controller worth the money? Let's find out. I'm Dwayne Smith, your Sprinkler Warehouse product specialist. Let's get started. Let's check out the new RXC controller by Toro. 6 zones out of the box, expandable up to 22 zones. It comes with or without Wi-Fi. It can operate up to 3 zones simultaneously if you need that. One of the first things you'll notice is how easy this controller is to use. I love controllers that have a knob on them like this. It's so easy to program, so easy to see what's going on with the controller. It's a modular controller, and that means your irrigation system has room to expand. If you want more zones, you just add more modules. For any contractors watching, you know what that means. You can have one basic kind of controller on your truck and some modules, and that covers any project from 6 to 22 zones, which makes your life easier. Back again to the Wi-Fi function. If you buy it without Wi-Fi, you can just buy this module, which will upgrade it to Wi-Fi. It connects to Toro's Oasis platform. That allows you to access and manage the controller remotely from your phone, tablet, or computer. It also means contractors can monitor and program their customers' controllers easily from the office. Another function I like about the RXC is it has a grow-in program. That's for situations where you put down new solder plantings where for a certain number of weeks you may need everyday watering. You can set up the grow-in program and set that to run for up to 90 days, and then normal programming automatically will take over after that. This controller is compatible with flow sensors by Toro and Irritrol. Flow sensors protect you in case there's a leak, a broken pipe, or an unusual increase in water usage. The system can alert you before a small problem becomes a very expensive one. I really like this fantastic, easy-to-use controller. Pick up your Toro RXC controller and everything else you need for your sprinkler system at sprinklerwarehouse.com.